the process is that first, just within the next week, there is going to be a list of the chemical weapons sites and some estimate of what weapons there are. So we'll see very quickly what kind of compliance there is with that deadline within a week. Then there's another deadline in November for destruction of some of the agents, presumably to ensure that they're not used in the interim, because Syria has until mid-2014 to destroy its chemical weapon arsenal or turn it over to inspectors for disposal. That's a very quick timetable for conducting a very complicated operation. It's not easy to destroy these weapons, to do so safely, to do so securely, and to be sure that you have full compliance with the requirements. So it's a very ambitious schedule that's in the agreement.